Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a delicious Nepali dish that's sure to warm your heart and tantalize your taste buds. Jhol Momos. These juicy dumplings served in a flavorful spicy broth make them a perfect comfort food. So let's get started. Let's start preparing our jhol sauce. This jhol sauce has a beautiful nutty flavor. For that, dry roast some sesame seeds and some peanuts. Keep that aside and into the same pan add oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next add the chopped onions, garlic, ginger and saute them until onion turns translucent. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Add salt. Mix it nicely. Time to add our spices, turmeric, some red chili powder and some garam masala. Mix them well and cook for another 2 minutes. Once the mixture is well cooked, let it cool a bit and blend it into a smooth paste with the sesame seeds and peanuts. Now pour the blended mixture back into the pot and add 4 cups of water. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Don't forget to check the salt and add more if required. While our sauce is simmering, let's get our momos ready. Here I'm using steamed momos today, but you can use fried one if you prefer. Once the sauce is ready, pour it generously over the momos. Make sure each momo is well covered with the flavorful soup. On top, I drizzle some chili oil as well. And there you have it, delicious jhol momos ready to be enjoyed. It's spicy, tangy and absolutely comforting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. See you next time.